Alrighty, so today we are climbing up a mountain. I don't know if you guys can see those radio towers. Seems simple enough, right? It probably won't be. So I actually officially today have started using a brand new microphone setup. I assume you guys can probably tell by how I am a lot louder than what I have been in all my previous videos. Hopefully this doesn't make the wind noise a lot worse. Hopefully it just, you know, makes my voice a lot more. But, you know, today's kind of going to be a little bit of a testing day. I also have Onyx tracking how far of a ride we end up doing today. Because I'm going to be honest, this is probably going to get a little intense. I've done this ride once before, and I think it took me and my two buddies, we were all, you know, on bikes Sur-on sized. It took us about 30-45 minutes to get all the way up to the top. I really appreciate any of y'all clicking on the video, and if you end up enjoying today's content, make sure you like and subscribe. I plan on uploading as much as I can. Even though it's winter, I'm still planning on going out and going riding, so I might as well record it if I'm gonna go. I've actually been having a very unique problem since I moved out here of basically I don't have enough free time for the amount of stuff I want to go out and do, because I do snowboarding, mountain biking, and this. I kind of don't always have the time to do everything that I want to do, and I kind of have to push everything aside to be able to come out and go riding. Like today I had a bunch of other stuff I probably should do that's, you know, more adulting related, you know, like going to the DMV and stuff like that, but I chose to go riding today because I'm irresponsible. Also, I still have not gotten new tires on this bike, so my rear tire is almost bald. Also, I know this didn't show in the last video that I uploaded, but I severely have sprained my wrist. It's been a little while for it to heal, but this is my first time riding in about 2 months since I ended up spraining my wrist, and I can still already feel the pain setting in, so we're gonna see how today goes. Although I will say this as well, the Sur-on is not a very good basis for, you know, how good my wrist is gonna feel, because there is no suspension. Ooh, it is slippery and muddy. Hopefully my butt doesn't get too wet. I know coming up here soon this road's gonna get really hard. Oh my god, I am getting blasted with mud. Oh, my butt's wet. Great. I will say that's the only real downside I would say to these Sur-ons is I know I don't have my front fender on, so I can't say much there, but the rear fender does not do crap all. Dude, these rock sections, if they're covered in ice and snow, are going to be really freaking difficult. Oh, I'm stuck in a rut. Come on, get out of that. I will say this though, with it being icy, it's actually smoother now than it was when it was not snowy. English is hard. And now for the uphill climb. Just keep it pinned. Hope you get some rocks for some traction. Just gotta stay where all the water is running down, because that's where there's the most bare soil. Oh, for a minute I thought that tree was a person. I was like, what the hell? Here we go. Here's the hard part of the hill. I'm just gonna have to keep it wide open and hope I can just keep my balance going. Come on, baby. Climb. You got this. Go. All right, go into the rocks. Maybe I'll get more traction. I almost freaking got ripped off the bike there. I'll say this, I'm probably gonna have no battery by the time I get to the top. I've been holding it pinned for a while. Come on, baby. You can do it. Don't let the snow stop you. Oh god. I'm letting the snow stop me. Come on. There you go. There's some grab. Come on. I'm gripping so hard with my legs because the bike's everywhere. Come on. Oh, I'm going like 2 miles an hour and it's like wide open. Yeah, we made it. At least up that part. God, this is gorgeous. Look at the way that the snow's on the mountain. Looks so cool. I will say this, Utah looks way more beautiful during the winter when there's snow tops. Alright, let's keep her moving. I had my time to warm up a little bit. Oh good. Alright, now we're at the huge hill climb. I have to get up that to be at the top. This is gonna be hard, ain't it? It doesn't even... I know it's gonna be fun once I get started, but it doesn't even look fun. Got snow in my mouth. It's freaking nasty. Oh, get up on the front. Come on, baby, you got this. Yeah! Go, go, go. I really need to do some power upgrades to this bike. Holy crap. Or at least get some new tires. Maybe some better traction will help. Yeah, go! We made it. Let's go. I know I'm being like the average hyped YouTuber. Come on, guys, let's go. Hit that like button. Yeah! But it feels kind of good to make it up that hill. God, this is the view I was coming up here for. Holy crap. This is just another level of freaking beautiful. God, on these small wheels, just such a powerful hit into those rocks. And I just, oh good. I was gonna stuff her into the berm, but there was no berm there. Hi. He scared the living shit out of me. Whoa. I really, ooh, cool rock garden. I was about to say I really want something challenging, but I also know I don't want to go to anything steep because this surround is not going to make it up with the wet. Little bunny hop. Oh, good. I was too indecisive. Holy crap. These rocks are huge. Oh, holy crap. This got really difficult really quick. I'm gonna have to come back up this. Oh, I did not think about that. I know it looks like I'm going really slow, but that's because I am. This is really, really steep. I should bring the 250 up here. Okay, this is gonna keep going down for a while. I'm gonna turn around here and stand up, and let's go. Oh. Oh. Oh, what a climb. Holy crap. Alright. I'm probably going to take a lot of these snowy downhills a little easy just because I'm not trying to just stuff the front coming in. Oh, I was tipping over there and all I could think in my mind was, please don't crash. I'm losing the front. It's not cooperating. The front's not going where I'm putting it. Ah! It's so deep. Alright, another uphill. This one at least seems kind of dry. Oh my god. I was not ready for that. At least the steep part was dry. Onwards and downwards. Anyways, I know it's not the end of the video. We've probably still got another 30 minutes before I hit the bottom. But if you did end up enjoying today's video, please make sure you like and subscribe. I know I said it at the beginning, but it really does mean the whole world to me. I am trying to get this channel to end up growing. Feels like I'm skiing. Oh god, I almost went over the handlebars. Dude, what a Chad. This dude's walking up this shirtless. I could never walk up this. This is way too steep for me to even think about doing that. Okay, go down into the rocks. As much as the rocks hurt more, I at least have traction. Just gotta use your legs so freaking much. Oh god, oh god. For wintertime riding, it might be a smart idea to turn my engine braking back on. Let's see how far we can make it up that one. I know I'm not gonna make it, but the question is, how far can I make it? Can I even make it to it? To try it? Let's see. Come on. Oh, I just got uppercutted by my handlebars. I didn't even make it to the start. Well, I made it like 10 feet past the start. There we go, come on. Just needs a little bit of assistance. You freaking pit bike bastard. I'm getting a hip cramp. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I'm making it any further. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Actually, there's one last thing I wanted to end up discussing. Hit pause. An hour and 14 minutes. We went 11.5 miles. Pretty good ride for the day, huh?